Welcome to the Crypto Trading Recap, the best show that guides you exactly how to trade the most volatile cryptocurrency markets with confidence. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to trade the best performing cryptocurrency pairs, step by step. Keep watching. Look, traders, it's very hard to believe that we've been limiting our abilities to make more money in the cryptocurrency markets because we fail to understand that the current price action of any cryptocurrency can either zigzag uptrend or zigzag downtrend. That means the current price action of any cryptocurrency can only move in one of two different directions at any given time. So if you want to be a consistently profitable cryptocurrency trader or investor for the long term, you have to choose to trade short or long based on the trending direction of the current price action of the cryptocurrency pair that you are interested in trading. For example, if you want to trade short, make sure to sell and buy back the cryptocurrency on the red candlestick's downtrending price action. But if you want to trade long, make sure to buy and sell the cryptocurrency on the green candlestick's uptrending price action. That way, you will be trading in favor of the trend and not against the trend. For example, last year, we analyzed the candlestick price chart data of over 1,000 cryptocurrency pairs to learn more about the most important metrics for performing proper technical analysis of any cryptocurrency pair. And thanks to the data provided by the tradingview.com chart page, we discovered that the entire candlestick price chart data of any cryptocurrency pair, it's divided into sections of bullish trend and sections of bearish trends. Hence, the name bullish trend section and bearish trend section was formed. So the most important metrics for performing proper technical analysis of any cryptocurrency pair are the bullish trend section and the bearish trend section of the cryptocurrency price action. For example, the most current bullish trend section of the CVP USDT cryptocurrency pair started from the lowest price of this green candlestick bullish trend starter, which is 0.3234 cent, and bounced up by 12.34% and then dipped back down to 2.56% and then bounced up by 24.24% and then dipped back down to 15.78%. And finally, it bounced up by 86.92% to complete its standard circle of a bullish trend operation at the highest price of the bullish trend, which is 0.6045 cent. Note, your duty as a cryptocurrency trader is to identify the start of a no bullish trend section and open or trade position when the bullish trend section is just starting to gain momentum to bouncing price action. And finally, make sure your entry and stop loss prices are constantly at the 15% and 9% of the start of the bullish trend section. So, as you can see on the candlestick price chart data, the most current bullish trend section of the CVP USDT cryptocurrency pair bounced up by 86.92% over the course of 4 days, 4 hours. The question is, how much money can you potentially make as profit going long on this bullish trend section? For example, let's say you open a long trade position with $100 worth of trading capital. You would have made approximately 50% profit going long on this bullish trend section. And 50% of $100 will be approximately $50 worth of absolute profit from this particular trade, which is an amazing profit already. Okay, moving on to the next crypto ticker symbol, PYR. The most current bullish trend section of the PYR USDT cryptocurrency pair started from the lowest price of this green candlestick bullish trend starter, which is $2.63, and bounced up by 15% and then dipped back down to 2.7%, and then bounced up again by 21.51%, and then dipped back down to 8.77%, and then bounced up again by 28.89%, and then dipped back down to 9.27%, and then bounced up again by 33.13%, and then dipped back down to 15.92%, and then bounced up again by 33.6%, and then dipped back down to 23.57%, and finally it bounced up by 90% to complete its standard circle of a bullish trend operation at the highest price of the bullish trend, which is $5.01. Note, your duty as a cryptocurrency trader is to identify the start of a new bullish trend section and open a trade position when the bullish trend section is just starting to gain momentum to a bouncing price action. And finally, make sure your entry and stop loss prices are constantly at the 15% and 9% of the start of the bullish trend section. So as you can see on the candlestick price chart data, the most current bullish trend section of the PYR USDT cryptocurrency pair bounced up by 90% over the course of 20 days, 8 hours. Okay, moving on to the next crypto ticker symbol, MITH. The most current bullish trend section of the MITH USDT cryptocurrency pair started from the lowest price of this green candlestick bullish trend starter, which is 0.01724 microcent, and bounced up by 58%, and then dipped back down to 13%, and then bounced up again by 95.52%, and then dipped back down to 70.78%. And finally, it bounced up by 233% to complete its standard circle of a bullish trend operation at the highest price of the bullish trend, which is 0.05743. Note, your duty as a cryptocurrency trader is to identify the start of a new bullish trend section and open a trade position when the bullish trend section is just starting to gain momentum to bouncing price action. And finally, make sure your entry and stop loss prices are constantly at the 15% and 9% of the start of the bullish trend section. So as you can see on the candlestick price chart data, the most current bullish trend section of the MITH USDT cryptocurrency pair bounced up by 233% over the course of 2 days, 20 hours. The question is, how much money can you potentially make as profit going long on this bullish trend section? For example, let's say you open a trade position with $100 worth of trading capital. You would have made approximately 200% profit going long on this bullish trend section. And 200% of $100 will be approximately $200 worth of absolute profit from this particular trade, which is an amazing profit already. Look, traders, we've been working so hard to simplify your cryptocurrency trading process of making more money and gradually growing your crypto trading account over time. So if you wish to upgrade your crypto trading skill to the next level, leave a comment below and make sure to smash that subscribe button right now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.